Hello everyone, it's Salty Frito 429, at least that's what they call me, and this is my first video on YouTube. I guess this isn't gonna be like super invested. This is just for when I feel like it or when I have something worth showing. And so this is the first opposed piston butterfly piston vacuum engine, which means there are no valves. The piston is the valve. It kind of goes sideways and creates a pocket of air to suck in air. So yeah, I thought it would be nice to show everybody. And yeah, it uses 4x4 pistons. The crank pins are 2 studs long. It's got a throttle, timing chain. The chain actually acts as a flywheel. And so let me show you guys how it runs. Here, I'll turn in the vacuum. Warning, this is pretty loud, but it's awesome. I forgot to put the other support on, so the top kind of fell off. But anyway, thank you for watching. You don't have to subscribe, I don't really care, but if you do, I guess that'd be cool. And yeah, I think I'll post every 2 or 3 weeks, depending on how life is. And yeah, that's it for today.